Greetings class. Today we are going to make a monkey boat. This monkey boat can be used as a travel boat which can be transfer peoples, humans and some materials from one place to another. We can use this kind of boat on hill stations also. We can place these kind of boats on a bridge also. So let us start our today's activity. First of all, you need to take two medium plate. It is a metal piece which is a non intersecting. It is a characteristics of parallel lines that they do not intersect or cross each other. You may know the parallel lines, the properties of parallel lines. Property of parallel lines is that they never intersect each other, or we can say they never cross each other. So you need to make parallel lines with medium plate. Now take a small L bar. The corner of the bar is bent at 90-degree angle, giving it as L shape. So we called it L bar. Now take a motor and place it as shown in the figure. It is a device which proceeds or causes motion. A motor is one of the simplest rotating machine. You can treat a motor as a simplest rotating machine, but it is a DC motor. Now you need to place a spacer. Spacer can be used as to maintain space between your actual machine and between your wheel or your gear also. It is used to create a gap between the plates and the shaft rod. Okay class, let us continue to our next step. Fifth step is take gear and pass 1.5 volt through a gear. A gear is a toothed machine part which such as a wheel or a cylindrical which meshes with the other parts. Gear can be also used as a torque transfer. We can transfer our torque from one machine to another with the help of these gear. Axial lock. Now you need to place an axial lock as shown in the figure. It is a locking device which can be used to lock both sides of the drive axial together. Okay, let us move to our next step. The seventh step is you need to place nut bolt. In the normal use, a nut and the bolt joint holds together because the bolt is under a constant tensile stress called paraload. So you need to place two big L-shaped bars as shown in the figure. Now place another L bar in the step 8. Nuts are almost always used opposite a matching bolt to fasten the track of the part together. Pass two nut bolt as shown in the figure in figure number 9. Your project must be look like this as of now. Nut bolts. Bolts are the most important part of a threaded connection. Threaded connection means which working will be according to thread. They have a round stem known as the body. Spacer. You need to place spacer like this as shown in the figure. The spacer is made of plastic rubber which is soft and flexible also. Now move to 11th step. 11th step, you need to place one simple bar, small bar, and use bolt 0.5 bolt plus nut. In application where vibration or rotation may work, a nut loses. Okay, so you need to place it very tightly. Shaft locker. You need to place shaft locker as shown in the figure. They can be used as a holder of your thread also. Using the pattern rope can be used to hang out the robot. Now move to step number 13. Shaft locker is placed like this and another one is placed like this. Use nut bolt to fix them. A nut is a type of hardware fastener with the threaded hole. Now you need to place an L bar, small L bar. When the end of point the L-shaped bar are joined, they form a triangle. You know the property of a triangle. Triangle have three sides, so you can see it. This figure look like a triangle. Now let us move to our step number 15, which is you need to place a hook on the middle L bar shape. The hook is used to carry load. In this kit, the hook is made of plastic, but we can also use a Helicon spring. Helicon spring, we can also use Helicon spring here. So, but we provide a hook with this kit. You can use it also. Now your monkey boat is ready. Thank you, class.